So how do you tighten up a garden broomstick when it's come off and the screws are constantly, you're tightening them, but the screws are still turning? What you need is this. You need some matches, and you need to insert a piece of the match inside there. So this is what I'm going to do. I've got these small pieces. Put them in. I'll try to put them in, and I'm going to use a bit of a hammer to push them right in. It just gives a bit of something for it to hold on to. But you need something that really goes in and stays in there. That should be it. And it has to be firm inside there. Once it's firm inside there, the screws won't come out. So I'm going to now put the screws in. So I've got my another screw, and I'm going to do the other hole, and it's rock hard tight now at the moment. Put a screw in there, get my screwdriver, and just manually do it, and you'll see that it just gets harder. And there you go. It's really tight now. This one is tight too, and I can't move it anymore. I should cover it. If it happens again, you're going to have to do the same thing all over again.